Raising healthy chickens starts with the food you provide. Whether you're a backyard poultry enthusiast or a small scale farmer, making your own organic chicken feed at home can be a rewarding, cost effective, and sustainable choice. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we empower you with smart solutions for smarter farming. In this guide, you'll learn step by step how to create nutritious organic chicken feed, the essential ingredients you need, and helpful tips to keep your flock thriving. Why make your own organic chicken feed? Store-bought feeds often contain preservatives, artificial additives, and genetically modified ingredients. By crafting your own blend, you control what goes into your chicken's diet, ensuring they get the best possible nutrition with no hidden chemicals. Plus, homemade feed can reduce your expenses, support local agriculture, and contribute to a more eco-friendly farming practice. Let's begin with the basics. Understanding your chicken's nutritional needs. Chickens require a balanced diet consisting of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Protein helps with growth and egg production. Carbohydrates provide energy. Fats contribute essential fatty acids. Vitamins and minerals support overall health, bone strength, and immunity. For protein, consider organic sources like soybean meal, peas, lentils, sunflower seeds, and mealworms. Each of these ingredients is rich in protein and can be sourced locally or grown in your own garden. Soybeans are a classic choice, but if you want a soy-free option, peas and lentils offer an excellent alternative. Sunflower seeds add extra fat and flavor, while mealworms, raised organically, are a fantastic treat for your flock and boost protein intake. Carbohydrates are the backbone of energy for your chickens. Organic grains such as corn, wheat, barley, and oats are highly recommended. Corn is a favorite among chickens and provides ample energy, but try to balance it with wheat or barley to avoid nutritional imbalances. Oats are especially good for laying hens, as they promote strong eggshells and steady energy levels. Fats are important, but should be offered in moderation. Sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and sesame seeds are all healthy sources of fat and help keep feathers shiny and skin healthy. Flax seeds are particularly beneficial because they contain omega-3 fatty acids, which can even improve the nutrient profile of your eggs. Vitamins and minerals can be provided through fresh greens, herbs, and supplements. Chickens naturally forage for grass, weeds, and insects, but you can enrich their diet with chopped organic vegetables such as kale, spinach, carrots, and squash. Herbs like oregano, basil, and parsley not only add nutrients, but also have natural antibacterial properties. For minerals, crushed oyster shells or limestone are crucial for strong eggshells, and diatomaceous earth can help with parasite control. Now let's get practical. Here's a simple, customizable recipe for homemade organic chicken feed. This blend is suitable for adult-laying hens, but you can adjust the ratios for chicks, broilers, or older birds as needed. Start with these base ingredients. 4 parts organic wheat or barley, 2 parts organic corn, 1 part organic oats, 1 part organic peas or lentils, 1 part sunflower seeds or flax seeds, ½ part mealworms or fish meal, optional for extra protein, ½ part chopped greens or herbs, a small handful of crushed oyster shells or limestone. To prepare your feed, thoroughly mix all the dry ingredients together in a large container. Add the chopped greens and herbs just before serving to keep them fresh and nutritious. If you prefer a pelleted feed, you can moisten the blend slightly and press it into pellets using a manual feed pellet machine, but chickens are quite happy with a loose mixture. Remember, chickens also need access to clean, fresh water at all times. Hydration is vital for digestion, egg production, and overall health. Here are some smart tips to maximize the benefits of your homemade feed. First, always source certified organic ingredients wherever possible. This ensures that your feed is free from pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, and genetically modified organisms. Second, rotate the types of grains and proteins you use. This introduces variety, reduces the risk of nutritional deficiencies, and keeps your chickens interested in their food. Third, Store your homemade feed in a cool, dry place to prevent spoilage, mold, and pests. Airtight containers or bins work well and help maintain freshness. Fourth, observe your flock's health and egg production closely. If you notice changes in behavior, feather quality, or laying consistency, adjust your feed recipe. Sometimes a little extra protein or minerals are needed, especially during molting or high egg-laying periods. Fifth, supplement your chicken's diet with natural treats, fresh fruit scraps, cooked grains, or garden trimmings. Avoid giving them anything toxic, like avocado, chocolate, or onions. And don't forget to let your chickens forage. Pasture-raised chickens will naturally seek insects, seeds, and green plants, adding extra nutrients and variety to their diet. Making your own organic chicken feed is more than just a recipe. It's an opportunity to connect with your flock and your land. You'll notice healthier, happier chickens, brighter eggs, and a sense of satisfaction knowing exactly what goes into your food system. For those interested in scaling up, consider growing your own feed ingredients. Planting grains, legumes, and herbs at home or sourcing from local organic farms can further reduce costs and environmental impact. Composting chicken manure helps close the loop, fertilizing your soil for future harvests. If you're new to DIY chicken feed, start small and experiment. Monitor your chicken's response, track egg production, and tweak your blend as needed. The process is flexible and can be tailored to different breeds, ages, and seasonal needs. Common questions people ask include, can I make chicken feed without soy? Absolutely. Peas, lentils, and sunflower seeds are excellent alternatives. How much feed do chickens need? On average, an adult laying hen consumes about 120 grams of feed per day, but this varies by size, breed, and activity level. Is homemade feed cost-effective? Yes, especially if you buy ingredients in bulk or grow them yourself. To get the most from your homemade feed, combine it with smart management practices. Ensure your coop is clean, safe, and well ventilated. Provide plenty of space for roaming and dust bathing. Regularly check your birds for signs of illness or parasites. Organic chicken keeping is a journey, one that promotes animal welfare, environmental stewardship, and wholesome food production. Whether you have a few hens or a growing flock, your efforts make a difference. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more resources on sustainable farming, organic gardening, and animal care. With just a little effort and creativity, you can nourish your chickens and your community, one handful of feed at a time. Happy farming, and here's to healthier hens and better eggs, naturally.